exactly half a cup of peanuts. If you like more peanuts, you can put more peanuts. You can put less peanuts if you like less peanuts. Now let me put in the oil. And switch on. And let's put in the oil. Peanuts for 3 minutes in medium flame. Don't do high flame, otherwise you won't get it cooked, but you get it burnt. So you will not want it burnt, would you? Fried the peanuts for 3 minutes, and now it's nice and crispy. I'm using the same oil I used for the peanuts. I'm going to fry a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 10 curry leaves, 1 dry red chili, 2 green chili. You can add more if you like it more spicy, and you can add less if you like it less spicy, and 1 dash of asafoetida. Now let me put in the ingredients and cook it. Now it's hot. Let me put in mustard seeds. Now let me put in my curry leaves, dry red chili. Now let me put in some green chili. The mustard was spluttering so much, I had to put on my goggles again. This happens all the time I do something with mustard seeds. Now let me put the other ingredients. So I'll need to put in 3 cups of rice. I'll need to put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and also half a lime. Okay, so let's put in the turmeric powder. Perfect. Oh, and also make sure you're doing sim now, because it will be a bit hard for you to do it if it's not sim. Let's add salt. Getting stuck, so let's do this. Perfect. Mix it nicely. Now let's put in lime. Squeeze it in. Nice and juicy. Yes. Put it over here. And now put in the rice. Mixed all the ingredients. Now it has that nice and yellow color. And now let me put in the peanuts and then some coriander leaves. Okay, let's put in the peanuts first. They sound so crispy when they fall inside. Now let's mix it. Oh, it feels so satisfying mixing the rice and the peanuts together. Okay, just mix it, separate all the peanuts. Now let's put in coriander leaves inside, nice and easy, and mix it in. Make sure you check this recipe out and make sure you make it at home. This recipe is nutritious and delicious. Now let me taste it.